Hari ini kejeng kerana Nongbylla Barjylla dekiseng balang bape kham tam dekiseng KSU. Hakini kiship naik ke beladap. Nakaliang ke Sorkar Jela lembaga kenhun menteri ke balang mata kesengi karai ban penklan ban penpa susu ya ke MRSSA. Kami ni kirai ke baga Sorkar ka shim kalong ba baro ke Nongbylla Barjylla ke bawan shani dan ke bala hapok ke jalan mekhlia. Anum syasu ya kitu ke bedan ki criminal record dan ke bedan ki dak sniu. Hakajing rekam dan hakajing im ke jongki. Ya kini anak bantai rekam ni mencek lengba kejin rekam jeki pulit ke benar Sorkar Jela. Ya kabala dan lupa ke sistem ke babiang. Ya kini lah tu dua polong do unung aktiin jok Sorkar MDA. Koi perkara ke bakal sim lembaga kenun menteri kalong. Bagi ni guduk bapen kenya kini ke an. Tam bagian syafan sanajar tengka kemudian ke an yang Snem ajar arpau. Ni nanu nani syakmat. Ya kini guduk bapen kenya ke hukum ni ke kendon jok kini ke an. Onsan Kuna kembali silak tengka uai Nongbylla. Pada kujuk kepopat la dan pat ki barang peteng lan dikiba. Peteng biang ikan di kejing penken yang dikaan. On kinsa ser Phatok kembali berai. Laban kedua hari bahari kejing kendram Nongbylla Barjylla. Dekat seng KSU bat kiseng dekat liang jong bercer bak Jela o konrat sangma. Ula ong bagi Nongbylla Barjylla ki wan seni kemnar kam setia ya ke buat permit. Dari lembah jak ni kejing penkela yang dikaan. Kesukaan kala tek lekam ya Nongbylla Barjylla.
Major items that was taken up, discussed, approved was the amendment to the Nongbylla identification, registration, safety and security of migrant workers, MIRSS Act 2020, and the Nongbylla identification, registration, safety and security of migrant workers rules 2020. One of the major components of the new amendment is that the state government will optimize efforts to check the antecedents of migrant workers to ensure that only those with no criminal antecedents can join the workforce as migrant workmen here in Nongbylla. So the cabinet decided that it would make use of a system, a central system called briefly CCTNS, for the Crime and Criminal Tracking Network System. Under this system, which is a database of the crimes and criminals, we will ensure that on the basis of this data available, we will be able to verify the antecedents of migrant workers, and two, the local police will also be able to verify these antecedents based on this system. The system is available with the police, and the Department of Labour will coordinate accordingly to ensure that the records of those who will be registered as migrant workers here in Nongbylla is properly verified. Two, the cabinet also decided that under the Act, the original Act of 2020, there was a provision that whoever is found guilty of violating the Act, they were liable to a penalty of 5,000, a fine of 5,000 per individual. But the cabinet will bring this up to the State Assembly in the session which is to be held shortly, whereby we will enhance this penalty from 5,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees per offender. In the case of repeat offenders, there will be an imprisonment, simple imprisonment for a term not exceeding 3 months.